So, Stefflon done drop Walking Dead, Phil London Dead by Jada, and it says you is a dead girl walking. Me no beat round no bush. One buck you pan the main and show the world how me brawling. Just a chat off your mouth for Instagram clout. Me no do Instagram badness talking. You a liquor star. You not ready for the top girl war. Me have 2 whole nuclear in a me yard. Me will turn up right here so and bomb you from afar. Me a kill a girl, left a girl in a bloodbath. Binds, palm binds, palm binds. Me want shut out them heart. Send some a cemetery, everybody a ball. Send some a hell, send some go meet God.
Huh?
Rifle clip up your trip, bust your head. Which girl fi beat me? Bitch, you lick your head. Most of the coke where you take in your nose make you forget your bodies. Me a kill you and the 10 man we fuck you for 10 grand. Jada says she's 25 and she have 10 bodies. So if you're over 25 and you don't have less bodies than her, you can't talk to her. Anyways, that's what she's making reference to. For everybody will also say she love jump from man to man and man to man and all that. Don't never fuck around with the Dan. This never over no post, but the post you post on your gram. You dirty girl. Go. Me a no half breed. Me a Kingstonian. Steffi, God know. If I did me wouldn't even make nobody know say Kingston me come from. If I burn that boy say Jada have the best pump in a Kingston, I hear him deafy how long, and that thing go sing in a song. Me would want a soul know say Kingston me come from. Would I come from somebody else, somewhere else in Jamaica, not Kingston me there. Them gyal a salt like sodium. When me a step on a mission, me never itch. Me a pop like popcorn, like me name Tonian. Lyrics. Reward them. Coming like nobody no inform them. Gun them stock up. Me a kill girl for fun. As them Lego talk, me go down a clip on them. Girl, you suck more pussy than your batty boyfriend. The batty boyfriend where she is talking about is the guy. That's Jada best friend. We do Jada here. Which batty boy you know they suck pussy? Batman and Batman, them they with man. So Steffi, you kind of rush into the war a little bit, and the lyrics now really make no sense. And another thing, if a Jada pump alone, you have to talk about, girl, just stop, because your man don't tell the world in a big international song say a fear pump are the best. And here we go into the pump argument. Your pussy cheap, anybody could arrange that. I never Megan I did you shoulda get shot. I never Megan I shoulda you get shot. She's talking about Tory Lane shooting Megan the Stallion. She said a Tory shoulda shoot Jada. Lyrics, me dear. You feel say me afraid you run up and talk about pedophile and you make a 17-year-old breed you. You did a try fuck me Batman cousin. How much pussy you suck? About a dozen. Jada don't say she a bisexual. Here we go. So if that alone you have to talk about, that's nothing. Jada don't talk about being a part of the LGBTQ community. That's nothing new. Your mother should have swallowed that sperm. Body soon I go learn. You remember when my brother did send it, the powder, then you pop Molly, mix it with a liquor soda. She's making reference to Jada taking off Jada's ex, the boy that she was with before Partisan, his friend came on social media and talked about how Jada was on coke and how Jada got his friend into coke and all of that. Jada has never cleared that up. We need her to clear it up in her reply. Sting pussy girl, you have a liquor order. Me here say fuck the dread boy Sosa. How you never in a black for your music? Only time you're in a black is when you suck dick. Send for the done and you don't have hits. The man tell me say you love drink piss. If you say the man say she love drink piss and the man say she don't want, the man tell she say you don't want be no stepfather. What a mix up. A peer pillow talk this a peer pillow talk this a money a pillow talk with them money. Me would want a man like you, Bernard. Me don't care what you have me there. Peer shame and disgrace. The embarrassment. Half a milli palm my wrist. What you know about badness? And you suck that dick. Me want give you 2 box and 2 kick. Shoot up which Cullinan, the killer them in the back. We are take the Uzi bang. 50 caliber chop chop up so the bullet long. Hey girl, ya look a hype. Look how long ya par with foot a hype. Can't fully bad. J and you and Jada go marry. J and Jada, you go marry version adjust for your papers. Suck pussy Jada, you a traitor. You are the biggest embarrassment to Jamaica. You're dead. You is a dead girl walking. Me no beat round no bush. Want buck you upon the main show and show you how me brawling. Just a chat off your mouth for the clout. Me no do Instagram badness talking. You are a little star, you're not ready to get for the top girl war. Me have 2 whole nuclear in a me yard and me will turn right here so and bomb you from afar. The truth is, we feel sorry for Partisan. Imagine saying Jada Kingdom is your baby mom. Imagine Partisan saying Jada is your baby mom. If we're being real, Jada is grown and she can do whatever she wants with her body, but you had a child at how old? I guess. Anyways, I feel like I'm gonna give Steph what Steph is due. Steph have the versatility. Steph have the flow. One thing I don't like is when women try to sound like man, and especially in a clash. If you remember Spice, little blood clot, cannibal, fussicking gyal, alien looking dildo tongue gyal, and the wrong name no call, go up on the funeral, tell Batty man nothing, this a warbear. If you talk about gun, I must say gun or a gun. Any shot where you for your tell pussy that come, you have herpes, syphilis, AIDS for your tongue, it was pussy 38, clitoris magnum. You lizard hyper bright your too bright. My kids them about make me nice. But anyways, Spice didn't change up her tone. Spice didn't change anything. She did her song in her natural voice. She just brought some rough and ruggedness to her style. I don't understand why Stefflon don't think she have to sound like man or sound like Tammy Lee if you get her point across. But will I say the song is trash? No, the song is not trash. The song is good. The lyrics are on point. Do I think she outdid London Bed? I don't. The only thing Steph is talking about really is Jada Pum Pum and her being bisexual and talking about stuff that we already knew. So if you're going to make a clash song, me need one song like London Bed, when we can't remember the lyrics them, or like Spice song to Lisa Hype. Yes, mommy. Your cactus. Alrighty. Here. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this video here.
Me.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya. Say bye.
Bye.
Clash or clash.
Clash.